What's up, guys? This is me, MASE. Yeah, it's kinda different intro. Yeah, I know. But I've got a package from Temu. Some other accessories for my models, like 100 extra blades and some other stuff for models. So let's go to look at that. First, we start with this bush with unknown brand, and it looks pretty nice. The second thing is this nice nail files from a diamond. Of course, after the nail files from diamond, here you can see the micro drill, but without the electricity, and view other drills. Of course, new pair of tweezers, which I need a lot. Here you can see nicely packaged new knife. It is similar to the classic, like the packaging knives, but here you can use excess blades, which is nice. After the new knife, here we have these micro balloons, which is a thermoplastic material, which can be used for some molding or some other accessories. The last thing here in this oily paper is 100 blades. Yeah, you heard correct, 100. Thank you for watching and see you next time.